Welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade. In today's video, we're going to learn about how to make a graph in column graph in Excel file. So let's say you want to make a graph of these two elements of the table, which is the inside surface temperature and e- external surface temperature. You just have to select the whole column that you need to create the graph of both the columns or n number of columns that you want to make the graph of, and just press insert. And here in the charts option, you will get options to make many types of charts. Let's say insert column chart, then you will get insert bar chart, then you will get a stock chart, a line chart, 2D area chart. This is a combined chart, combo chart. This is a pie chart, and these are the scattered dots. Um Excel also gives a very nice option of recommended charts, which you can see is show something like this. Here you have a scattered dot chart, you have a line chart, you have a clustered column, you have a clustered bar, you have a stacked column, you can stack bars. So sometimes when you are not sure which type of graph you want, just press on this button and Excel will give you the best chart that is suitable for you. So let's say you want to make a line chart of it. Just select the type of chart. It will show you a preview. Set it wherever you want it, and then here you can edit the type that you want, like something with values, something with lines, something with uh, different colors, anything you can edit your chart any way you want. So this is basically how you insert a chart in Excel. So that was it for the video. If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it. Thank you.